How to make your ID public in Grindr. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily make it public. First of all, open the application. Now, here on the left top, you can see this profile icon. Simply tap on the profile icon. Now here, slowly scroll down. There's an option called Settings. Simply tap on Settings. So we in this Settings interface, you'll be able to find an option called Privacy Settings. Simply tap on it. And here on the top at the first section, there is Show Me in Explore Searches. So make sure you turn it on. And as you can see, it has turned on. Now when you turn this on, you'll be able to find yourself in public and many people will be able to view your profile easily. It's like pushing yourself into the Explore page, and it's all done. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.